Today's topic is 8 low-carb diets for diabetes management. Managing blood sugar levels is vital for those with diabetes, and a highly effective approach is to embrace a low-carb diet. By cutting down on carbohydrates, you can significantly enhance your ability to manage blood glucose levels, boost insulin sensitivity, and bolster overall well-being. Maintaining a balanced diet is crucial for managing diabetes and reducing the risk of other health issues, particularly cardiovascular disease. Focusing on blood sugar management and overall health, especially heart health, is essential. Discover how a low-carb diet can be crucial in diabetes management and gain valuable tips for successful implementation. Low-carb diet number 1, beans. Beans are incredibly nutrient-dense and offer a wide range of essential vitamins and minerals, making them an excellent addition to a healthy diet. They are exceptionally high in dietary fiber, necessary for digestive health, and can help with weight management. While beans contain carbohydrates, they also provide a significant amount of protein, making them a valuable source of plant-based protein, without the saturated fat often found in meat. The American Diabetes Association highly recommends beans for individuals with diabetes, due to their low glycemic index and beneficial impact on blood sugar levels. There are various types of beans, such as black beans, cannellini beans, kidney beans, navy beans, and pinto beans. Each offers a unique texture and flavor, making it suitable for different culinary uses. Low-carb diet number 2, non-starchy vegetables. Non-starchy vegetables, including cucumbers, broccoli, lettuce, green beans, and tomatoes, in their whole, unprocessed state, are rich in fiber and low in carbohydrates, thus exerting minimal impact on blood sugar levels. Non-starchy vegetables are essential to a balanced diet, especially for individuals looking to manage their blood sugar levels. This combination makes them excellent choices for regulating blood sugar levels and promoting overall health. According to the American Diabetes Association's diabetes plate method, non-starchy vegetables should make up half of a person's plate, emphasizing their importance in a healthy and balanced meal plan for individuals managing diabetes. Low-carb diet number 3, whole grains. Whole grains are highly recommended for individuals with type 2 diabetes as they offer a range of health benefits compared to refined grains. Whole grains such as brown rice, high-fiber whole wheat bread, oats, quinoa, and whole wheat pasta are rich in fiber and essential nutrients, making them an excellent choice for managing type 2 diabetes. The higher fiber content in whole grains can help regulate blood sugar levels, improve insulin sensitivity, and contribute to better overall health. By incorporating whole grains into their diet, individuals with type 2 diabetes can enjoy better blood sugar control and reduced risk of complications associated with the condition. Making whole grains a staple in the diet can significantly contribute to a healthier and more balanced approach to managing type 2 diabetes. Low-carb diet number 4, lower sugar fruits. Not all fruits possess the same sugar content, and we should be mindful. Mindful selections can help support diabetic meal planning. Choosing fruits with lower sugar levels can be beneficial. For instance, options like blackberries, blueberries, melons, and strawberries can be advantageous for individuals monitoring their sugar intake due to their lower sugar content. Low-carb diet number 5, lean protein. Lean proteins are essential to a balanced diet for individuals with type 2 diabetes. They are highly nutritious and beneficial because they are free from carbohydrates, which can help manage blood sugar levels. Skinless chicken, eggs, fish, tofu, and turkey are excellent sources of lean proteins that can be included in a diabetes-friendly diet. These sources provide high-quality protein without the added sugars and can be incorporated into various delicious and healthy meals. Low-carb diet number 6, dairy or dairy alternatives. Dairy-based products, such as milk, cheese, and yogurt, and their alternatives, including soy or nut-based milk, offer a rich source of carbohydrates, high-quality protein, and essential nutrients, particularly calcium, vital for bone health. Low-fat or fat-free milk, fortified soy or nut-based milk, and unsweetened yogurt are optimal choices within this category. Maintaining a varied and balanced diet is crucial to ensure you receive all the essential vitamins and minerals necessary for overall well-being. While it may not be necessary to incorporate every food group into each meal, striving to include a variety of these options throughout the day can help you meet your nutritional needs. Low-carb diet number 7, sugar-free beverages. When looking for alternatives to sugary beverages, you might want to consider the following options. Pure and refreshing water, which not only keeps you hydrated but also has numerous health benefits. Various calming herbal teas such as chamomile, peppermint, or ginger can be enjoyed hot or cold and are naturally caffeine-free. Sparkling water with a hint of lemon or lime for extra flavor and a refreshing twist without added sugar or calories. Low-carb diet number 8, nuts. A study of over 16,000 diabetic people found that eating at least 5 1-ounce servings of peanuts or tree nuts per week reduced the risk of developing cardiovascular disease by 17% compared to eating 1 or fewer servings per month. Nuts are low in carbohydrates, high in fat and protein, and help to keep blood sugar levels stable. However, because nuts are high in calories, daily consumption should be restricted to 1 to 1.5 ounces, approximately 1/4 cup. Choose low glycemic foods. When making dietary choices, it is advisable to opt for foods with a low glycemic index, GI, instead of those with a high GI. Low Alzheimer's, a GI of 55 or less, includes most fruits and vegetables, beans, minimally processed grains, pasta, low-fat dairy products, and nuts. Foods with a moderate GI, ranging from 56 to 69, encompass white and sweet potatoes, corn, white rice, couscous, and certain breakfast cereals such as cream of wheat and mini wheats. On the other hand, high GI foods, GI of 70 or higher, include white bread, rice cakes, most crackers, bagels, cakes, donuts, croissants, and most packaged breakfast cereals. Making informed choices regarding the glycemic index of foods can contribute to a health-conscious diet. Foods to avoid on a low-carb diabetes diet. When following a lower carbohydrate diet to manage diabetes, the following foods should be avoided or only consumed occasionally in small quantities. 1. High-carb and processed foods. It's essential to be mindful of certain high carbohydrate and processed foods that should be avoided. These include confectionery, fast food, high carbohydrate chips, high carbohydrate granola bars, high carbohydrate packaged snacks, and packaged meats. 2. Trans fats. Partially hydrogenated vegetable oils are the source of trans fats, which are known to pose risks to cardiovascular health. 2018, the Food and Drug Administration banned trans fats in the U.S. food supply. However, it is essential to note that products advertised as containing 0 grams of trans fat can still contain up to 0.5 grams per serving. This is critical as consuming multiple servings can lead to significant trans fat intake. Familiar sources of trans fats include fried foods, snack items, and packaged baked goods. 3. Refined grains. Refined grains are processed grains that have been milled, removing the bran and germ, resulting in a finer texture and longer shelf life. Foods made with refined grains include white bread, white flour pasta, and white rice. 4. Foods with added sugar. Ingestion of the following items can result in a surplus of empty calories and has been scientifically associated with a multitude of health issues, such as excess weight or obesity, type 2 diabetes, inflammation, and cardiovascular disease. The types of sugary foods that should be restricted include alcohol, fruit juice, high-carbohydrate breakfast cereals, high-carbohydrate cakes and cookies, soda, sports drinks, and sweet tea. It is important to note that added sugars are frequently concealed under alternative names. Dextrose, fructose, lactose, table sugar, beet sugar, honey, corn syrup, turbinado, and agave are all designations for added sugars. Please note, the video and its associated articles and websites, as well as all text, images, and other content on the channel, are provided solely for educational purposes. The content does not replace professional medical diagnosis, treatment, or advice. Thank you. This is it for today's video. What do you think of our video? We want to hear from you. Feel free to share your thoughts in the comment section below. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. And click on the notification bell to ensure you never miss the next video. Thank you.